We are back with Senior Moments on the Road, and today we are in San Leon, Texas, which is on a peninsula just north of Galveston, surrounded by the Galveston Bay. San Leon has a checkered past. It used to be a slave shipping and slave selling center in the early 1800s. But now it's got a much better reputation because it's now known for its oyster and shrimp harvesting. And so that is why we are here today to check that out. We're going to go to one of the better known oyster restaurants around here.
That restaurant is Pier 6, which sits near the bay and gets its fresh Gulf oysters from the local catch. Since it was lunchtime, I got the oysterman sandwich, plump fried oysters on Texas toast with lettuce, tomato, and garlic aioli. It was more than a handful, so after the initial bite, I broke down and used a knife and fork to eat it. So if you want a true taste of the Texas Gulf and a quiet, peaceful day along the Galveston Bay, head on down to San Leon. And as always, if you want to keep up with my senior adventures, subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and we'll see you on my next trip.